Testing one. Hello, everybody. This is Scott McNealy live from Palo Alto, California. It's sunny, very nice day here. We're trying a big new experiment. I really hope this works. Could be very embarrassing. We actually have press here checking this out to see what we're doing. Now, we're doing a big experiment here using Sun technology. If this works, what we'd like you to do is email back to the address that you're going to see at the end of this thing saying that you saw it and you can help us out with this experiment. We're going live to thousands of Sun workstations around the Sun network around the world. Some of you don't have enough bandwidth, but we're getting to, we believe, about 90%, hopefully, of the Sun sites around the world. I'd like to first off say good morning to everybody on the West Coast. I'd like to say good afternoon to everybody in the East. And I'd like to say good evening to everybody in Europe who's watching. And a special, special greeting to all of you out there in Japan who stayed up all night just to watch this 5-minute experiment. Now, some of you are familiar with the pre-recorded video capabilities of the workstation, and we've made some trade-offs here. We've gone to a smaller screen to allow you to go live as opposed to pre-recorded with better video and a larger environment so that you get the intimacy and the embarrassment of watching me live. Now, it is live. It's not a trick. I know some of you think we may be doing something magical. Well, I brought proof. What we have here is today's San Jose Mercury News. Probably can't see it, but this is actually today's date. And we have IBM to announce cuts today in workforce manufacturing. IBM today announced 25,000 more layoffs. They announced a $6 billion write-off, and their stock is trading at an all-time low today on the New York Stock Exchange. That's proof that this is live and that this is this morning. So, for those of you who aren't on a color workstation, I also want to show off my bright green sweater. Now relax, those of you who have color workstations, I'm just kidding. It's actually a red sweater. I figured I'd wear red given the holiday season. Now this technology is really important. Why? Because Macs and PCs can't do this. Eat your heart out, Bill Gates. This communication and the power that it brings to the marketplace will help us sell computers and will help make us a more productive computer company. Now my real main purpose here is to say thanks. You've all worked incredibly hard. You really kicked butt in 1992. And we did that in the face of the toughest economy I have seen in the 11 years I've been at Sun Microsystems. You all are very talented, very focused, and very reliable. But most importantly, you all worked very, very hard in the last 12 months. I appreciate it. The management team appreciates it. And mostly, the people who all have jobs here at Sun Microsystems appreciate the efforts that each and every one of you have made to make Sun such a successful and exciting place to work. We've gained market share. We've gained momentum. We have just done a fabulous job in 1992. We worked hard, but we're going to have an even more exciting and more successful 1993. Model 41s are now shipping. They're going out the door, and we're going to have a very, very good microspark, superspark kind of 1993. Solaris 2.1 went out on plan this month and is shipping, and we have the hottest operating environment, 32-bit operating environment in the world. Microsoft had better watch out with NT. We're coming after them big time. And bookings are rolling in. The Salesforce is just having a great time. We're off to a really great start on decade number 2. Finally, I'd like to wish you all the best for a great holiday season. I hope it's the best ever that you've ever had. Thanks to your family, to your friends, to all the loved ones who helped to support you during the very, very exciting and challenging year that 1992 was. Enjoy the holidays. Be safe. Relax. I'd like to say a special thanks to all of those of you in sales and operations and operation support who are going to help finish out the quarter here for us. That's very important. I'd like to thank you for spending time during the holiday seasons to go do that. Go charge your batteries. Come back in 1993 well rested. We're going to go out and kick butt and have some major league fun next year. Thanks, gang. Ho, ho, ho.